Get back, get back, get back. Get back a little further, honey. Come back here with me. Oh, oh, oh! Oh no! Hey! Stop! Stop! Today, we're on an airplane rescue mission. Last weekend, for the 4th of July, we came down to this sweet little lake that we like to spend a lot of time at, and we rolled out Barney style. We brought the boat, the rigs. Kenny brought his airplane, and when he shows up, he comes on over to the ramp here to come on up. His airplane is a seaplane, land on the water, and then he can drive it up this boat ramp here that I'm standing on. But when he came in, this water here was a little bit higher. I don't know if you can see this right now, but the water was up about to here, and the water is really murky, so we couldn't see how close it was to the edge of this ramp. The water's really low this year. So this was just hiding under the water. You know, it's like an 8-inch ledge, and his landing gear just boom, just plowed right into it, and it ripped off a bracket that actually holds the wheel on. So we had to leave the plane here, go back up north, get some parts, come back down, and we're fixing it today. Landing gear did not like that.
I think you still need that for a second. Okay, go ahead and wrench on that.
That did, took all the wheels off.
And that's off
Or the nuts off the wheels. It's all blocked up.
Okay, on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Now, did we get the door fixed?
Did the door close?
Not all the way, but yeah.
Oh, it didn't close all the way?
Well, there's like a little gap here on this side if you look at it.
I wonder if this is bent, which made the door longer. Let me put my finger in there. It's kind of soft, like it's not rigid.
Pretty suggestive last couple of lines you just said there. I'm gonna put my finger in there. It's soft, kind of soft, not rigid.
Yeah, something's.
Oh.
Oh,
I just pushed it.
Did it close?
No.
Well, it's all the way up now.
Right, but
It didn't go by itself.
It didn't go by itself.
Okay, here it comes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, coming up.
Still doing it. It's like right here.
Ah, so might do good. Yeah, baby. Not bad, huh? So while Kenny and Ellen are up there getting it buttoned up, I'm gonna tell you about this plane just a little bit. I probably have in other videos before, but if you haven't, this plane is a Seawind. And it's not just any Seawind, it's a super Seawind. And so most of them have a piston engine in them. This one has a Pratt & Whitney PT6 turbine engine in it. So it's really fast, really powerful, very unique. Apparently it's the only one flying in the world with this motor configuration. Apparently there's another guy that's got one, but it's never flown. But it's really cool, really fast, and hopefully we'll get this thing into the water and back into the air here soon.
You need to pull this stack of wood out. Colton and I are going to lift the front end.
Okay.
You got to pull that stack of wood out, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Put it in the car.
What was that, Santa's feather collection?
I
I found videos. Ellie was taking video of her and she was dancing with them, and she runs one right on her mouth and opens her mouth. She's like,
Ew.
like, oh, disgusting.
Now, what the heck is this? Grandpa Gus's rodent repellent spray.
We have mice at the
We
ranch.
have bait and we have traps and everything. Why do we need to buy more stuff?
I'm not having mice.
On which side? See the black one hanging on the wall? Yep, set it down. So here, head it to me. Igniter on and start. Clear prop. Okay, 15%. Fuel on. We have ignition. Yep. Good. Off.
Okay, you can start mildly cutting. If you go straight from here, you'll be good. If you go a little further, a little further, a little further. Okay, now you can give it more aggressive cut.
I'm gonna play with the water rudder since there's no rush. We just tested it. Okay, we're gonna cycle it again.
That rack cap broke off. See that?
Yeah. Just now.
Must have.
Hold on now. It's not coming up. I'm gonna shut down real quick and try something. Okay, make sure our bilge is in auto. See if it'll come up now. Oh shit!
Oh,
What?
I can see why.
Hydraulic fluid?
Yeah.
no, these little beads out here. Well, first go was a fail. Still having issues with the front gear.
Well, Colton, we might be spending the day here.
Yeah, I pretty much figured.
And this one didn't break. The one we were working on is fine.
What about our hydraulic fluid? I know we're focusing on one thing at a time, but
Well, let's see what it does.
because I smelt it too.
Yeah, I did too. Okay, can you see the wheel? It's pointing off that way. Okay, go ahead. Do left or right, doesn't matter. Okay, go the other way. But it is not spinning.
The wheel's not moving. Do I gotta pull the lever? Back.
No, it shouldn't do that. Okay. Did you do anything?
Nope. The rear tires trenched a little. The front hardly did at all. But I think is the front dropped into the water I think that the doors hit the beach.
Oh, really? Well, the plane, remember how we were going in, all of a sudden it went like this, straight into the water? And that turned the wheel. And then the wheel was crooked, so when it tried to come up, it broke the little plastic linkage. That's all that's broken. Little plastic linkage.
So you think it broke when it tried to come up?
Yeah.
On the door?
On the door.
But what's making it not steer?
Well, there's something wrong with the hydraulic.
Well, that didn't go so well. We're finding out this is Kenny's fourth plane. He's got a Cessna, he's got a Piper. Those things have been pretty problem-free. But these seaplanes, they got a few more moving parts and quite a bit of tinkering to keep them running.
And I'm really far away from the dock now.
Trying to rescue a ladybug.
Can I go?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, yeah. It's right there. Oh, it's a tiny little bit. Thank you.
It's gentle.
Smooth, Kenny. And if it's not one thing, it's another with these machines. I got to run over to the Ephraim Airport and meet up with them and make sure everything's good. I'm going to do a little more work on that landing gear, make sure everything's good. But dang, Ellen, she sits so close. I don't even know how she does this. Oh yeah, it's up here. She's like a tiny little human. Just caught up with Kenny and Ellen here at the airport. Looks like everything went smooth on this end, so that's good.
So last year, was it you I was talking to in the air?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
We watched. I had a student with me actually in that same plane, and we were flying around. I was watching, and I kept telling him, "Take it right, stay right, stay right. I want to watch this."
I'm down last night and put it on, but everybody was being
He
wimpy.
wanted to come down like at
We were-
7:30. We wouldn't have got here till after dark.
Yeah,
I don't know,
flashlights work.
It doesn't get dark until 9:30.
Right.
Come on.
But we did fly this up into northern Idaho 2 weekends ago. There was a seaplane flying up there called Tanglefoot.
Okay.
And we got up there and had a lot of fun.
So our recovery mission went well. A couple of bumps, but got down here early, got to work, got it together, got it in the water, had a mishap, handled it there, got what we needed to and could down at the lake. We just flew over to the closest little airport, Met these really cool guys, and they were super helpful. Had some parts, some tools. Had this thing done up. Took the guys to lunch. Now Kenny and Ellen are out of here. They're headed down south. I'll be headed home. Nice, smooth takeoff. That was a fun day, guys.